Hello friends, welcome to Exams Made Easy. Here is a very good news for all of you. Northern Coalfield is going to recruit trade apprentices and total number of vacancies 1500 friends. So there is a huge number of vacancy in Northern Coalfield in trade apprentice and various engineering disciplines. So friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications like all the public sector undertaking organizations recruitment notification, all the state government engineering recruitment notifications, as well as friends all other central government recruitment notifications. So friends, if you are watching our channel for the first time, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. So friends, coming back to the recruitment analysis. So friends, if you look at the total number of vacancy, as I have already mentioned, total number of vacancies 1500, and if you look at the category wise vacancy, unreserved 762, OBC 225, SC 213, ST 300. Out of the total post, 30 posts are reserved for person with disabilities. And friends, if you look at the trade wise vacancies, for welder, that is gas and electric, number of vacancies 100. For fitter, number of vacancies 800. For electrician, number of vacancies 500. And for friends motor mechanic, number of vacancies 100. And if you look at the educational qualification, friends, it is said that for welder 8 pass plus ITI pass certificate. For fitter 10 pass plus ITI pass certificate in relevant discipline. For electrician also 10 pass and ITI pass certificate. And for friends motor mechanic trade 10 pass and ITI pass certificate in the same discipline. So friends, there are some informations also mentioned, like the above qualification should be from NCVT or SCVT. And friends, for general category of candidates, minimum qualifying marks is 50%, and for OBC, SC, ST and physical person with disabilities, marks is 45%. So that means minimum 45% of marks you should have achieved in your qualifying exam, that is Madhyamik and your ITI course. So, and friends, age limitation is also mentioned here. This is one of the most important criteria here. Age limitation should be from 16 years till 24 years as on 31st December 2020. But if you belong to the category SC, ST, then you will get relaxation of 5 years, and for OBC relaxation of 3 years, and friends for person with disabilities relaxation of 10 years is permissible. And friends, what is the procedure of selection? If you look at, this is the website by following which you can get each and every information regarding the selection procedure. So friends, I would like to inform you that the procedure of application. So the application procedure has already been started from 17 July 2020, and by following this link you can apply online. The link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link you can apply online. And friends, the application procedure will continue till 16th of August 2020 till 5 p.m. and apprentice, before applying online, you can go through this website for all the relevant information regarding the same. And friends, after applying online, it is strictly mentioned that no need to send any printout copy or hard copy or document to the Coalfield Limited, Northeastern Coalfield Limited at this stage. So just after filling up the form online, you have to keep the printed copy with yourself for further correspondence. So friends, if you would like to download the PDF copy of this recruitment notification, you can download this from the link that is available in the description box, as well as you can download the same from our Telegram channel. So if you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, you can join that channel by following the link that is also available in the description box of this video. So friends, thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day ahead.